Now this is part 2 of white sharks in different parts of the world not being the same. White shark routes, migrations, and timing vary by region. South African white sharks migrate from Mozambique to Madagascar. Californian white sharks migrate at the mid-Pacific area known as the White Shark Cafe. Now some populations have adapted to specific prey items. Seals are hunted near coastal islands in South Africa, while fish and dolphins are hunted in Australia. Now what do you think? Leave it in the comments. Did you learn something? Did you not? Did you know about something? Let me know!